Apple has always been at the forefront of smartphone photography, but with the introduction of the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max, the game has changed yet again. And now, thanks to Sandmarc's groundbreaking Tetraprism telephoto lens, things have gone from impressive to absolutely mind-blowing. Imagine holding a smartphone capable of reaching a 200mm focal length, something once reserved for professional DSLRs and mirrorless cameras, and now, that power sits in your palm. The iPhone 17 Pro's built-in 48-megapixel f/2.8 periscope telephoto camera already delivers an equivalent 100mm focal length, or roughly 4x optical zoom, offering crisp, detailed images even from afar. But Sandmarc's new Tetraprism converter takes that capability and doubles it to 200mm, meaning you can now zoom in twice as close without compromising clarity. For photographers, content creators, and even casual users, this unlocks a whole new world of creative possibilities. From capturing distant cityscapes to wildlife photography and sports moments that were previously out of reach for smartphone cameras. What's even more exciting is how this lens works hand in hand with Apple's in-sensor zoom technology, allowing for incredible 16x hybrid zoom while maintaining a 24-megapixel resolution, something unheard of on most mobile devices. This combination delivers stunning detail and dynamic range, even in complex lighting conditions. And the best part? The Sandmarc Tetraprism lens isn't limited to the iPhone 17 Pro series. It's also fully compatible with the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max, enhancing their 12MP telephoto cameras and extending their reach all the way to 240mm, effectively achieving 10x optical zoom. That's a level of zoom that rivals professional gear while maintaining portability and ease of use. Apple's original Tetraprism design was already a major leap in compact telephoto engineering, using folded optics to achieve 4x zoom without making the phone bulky. But Sandmarc's innovation takes it even further, building on that architecture with an external lens system that expands the focal range without introducing noticeable distortion or chromatic aberration. The result? Crisp, stabilized, and naturally colored photos that look like they came from a dedicated camera. And this couldn't have come at a better time, with competitors like Vivo's X300 Pro and Oppo's fine X9 Pro introducing impressive built-in telephoto systems. iPhone users finally have a way to match, and even surpass, those ultra-zoom shots without switching ecosystems. Sandmarc, known for its high-end mobile camera accessories, has once again proven why it's trusted by professionals and enthusiasts alike. Their new Tetraprism telephoto converter attaches seamlessly to the iPhone's camera module through a custom-designed magnetic mount that ensures perfect alignment and stability, even during handheld shooting. The lens itself is crafted with multi-coated optical glass, engineered to minimize glare and reflection, while preserving true-to-life color tones. When paired with the iPhone 17 Pro's advanced image signal processor and Apple's computational photography, the results are nothing short of breathtaking, sharp, vibrant, and cinematic images that can easily rival those from mirrorless setups. In real-world usage, this means you can now shoot a faraway subject like a bird, a concert stage, or a mountain peak with incredible precision. Even handheld shots at full zoom remain impressively stable thanks to Apple's sensor-shift optical image stabilization, which works in tandem with the lens. And for videographers, the combination unlocks new framing possibilities, allowing cinematic zoom pulls and telephoto compression effects that add depth and drama to your videos. It's not just an accessory, it's a game changer for iPhone filmmaking. The synergy between hardware and software shines through here. Apple's A19 Pro chip, powering the iPhone 17 Pro lineup, uses advanced neural processing to intelligently manage image data from both the base sensor and the attached Sandmarc lens, automatically adjusting exposure, white balance, and detail recovery in real time. That means even under challenging conditions like sunsets or concerts, the camera adapts instantly, ensuring every shot looks clean and natural. In low light, Apple's improved night mode telephoto now benefits from the larger effective aperture and extended focal length, producing bright, noise-free images that capture every nuance of the scene. It's like having a mini DSLR in your pocket, but smarter. And the difference is noticeable not just in photo quality, but also in depth compression. At 200mm, backgrounds blur beautifully, giving portraits that professional bokeh effect many crave. in comparison to built-in systems like Vivo's 3x optical or Oppo's variable zoom lenses. The Sandmarc approach offers something more modular and adaptable, letting users choose when they want extreme reach and when they prefer a lighter setup. For travelers and vloggers, that flexibility is gold. The convenience factor is also impressive. The lens snaps on effortlessly, and Sandmarc has optimized the design to be portable and lightweight, fitting easily into a pocket or small camera bag. Despite its compactness, it delivers the power of professional telephoto gear without the hassle. And because it uses a Tetraprism structure, light is folded multiple times inside the lens body before reaching the sensor, effectively simulating the long focal distance without requiring a physically large lens. It's optical wizardry at its finest, and the results speak for themselves. Early reviewers who tested the iPhone 17 Pro with this setup report remarkably sharp details, even at 16x hybrid zoom, with minimal loss of resolution or contrast. The integration between Apple's native camera app and the lens is seamless. You can simply attach it, open the camera, and start shooting, no calibration needed. This makes it ideal for spontaneous photography moments where time is of the essence. Moreover, Apple's ecosystem ensures that these images benefit from all the company's signature processing features like Smart HDR6, Deep Fusion, and Photonic Engine, resulting in stunning clarity across different lighting conditions. When compared side by side with standalone telephoto cameras, the results are shockingly close, proving how far mobile optics have evolved. And here's something many don't realize. The Tetraprism lens also enhances video capture significantly. It enables 4K recording at 60 frames per second even at full zoom, with steady focus tracking and minimal noise, giving creators the ability to film professional-grade footage directly from their phones. Imagine shooting a cinematic slow-motion zoom at 200 millimeters without carrying any bulky equipment. That's the level of freedom this combo provides. Sandmarc has also included anti-reflective coatings that handle harsh lighting conditions like stadium lights or direct sunlight, maintaining contrast and color accuracy. This means whether you're shooting in bright daylight or dim indoor environments, your footage remains consistent and natural. Now, let's talk about usability. Many worry that attaching external lenses could affect convenience or ergonomics, but Sandmarc's magnetic mount and sleek aluminum frame integrate beautifully with Apple's MagSafe system, keeping it both secure and stylish. It's easy to attach, remove, and store, making it practical for everyday creators. And considering Apple's precision engineering, the collaboration between hardware and this third-party accessory feels surprisingly native, almost as if Apple designed it themselves. With all these innovations, it's safe to say that the iPhone 17 Pro, when paired with Sandmarc's Tetraprism lens, becomes one of the most versatile mobile cameras ever created. Whether you're a travel vlogger, photographer, or social media content creator, this setup pushes boundaries. It bridges the gap between smartphones and professional cameras in a way that's never been seen before. The results? More detail, more reach, and more storytelling power, all from your iPhone. And for users of older models like the iPhone 16 Pro and 15 Pro Max, it's an easy upgrade path that instantly transforms your phone's zoom capabilities without buying a new device. Now, when we compare this setup to competitors like Vivo's 200MP Zeiss sensor or Oppo's fine X9 variable zoom, Apple users no longer have to feel left behind in the camera wars. Sandmarc's innovation levels the playing field, even surpassing them in some areas, especially in clarity and post-processing flexibility. And the fact that it's user-removable adds an element of control no built-in system can match. You choose when to go pro. In conclusion, Sandmarc's Tetraprism lens turns the already powerful iPhone 17 Pro into a photography monster, capable of achieving shots once thought impossible for phone. It's more than an accessory. It's a glimpse into the future of mobile optics, where modular systems bring pro-level performance to everyone. If you're passionate about photography or simply want to elevate your creative content, this lens is absolutely worth considering. The value it adds far outweighs its cost, especially for those serious about mobile content creation. So, to wrap it up, Apple might have built a foundation for amazing smartphone photography, but Sandmarc just gave it superpowers. If you want DSLR-level zoom without carrying extra gear, the iPhone 17 Pro with Sandmarc's Tetraprism lens is the ultimate combo for 2025. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want to stay updated on the latest in mobile photography and smartphone tech, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because you're watching TechVerse, where technology meets imagination and your next upgrade begins today.